This has been a tough year for many people in our area. Closings, cutbacks, and layoffs are realities for too many families.
The unemployment rate in Otsego County has averaged almost 15% compared to the U.S. average of 8.5%. Job growth has been described as negative, with Otsego County jobs decreasing by 9.7%.
Right now in Otsego County, there is a desperate need for food assistance. Statistics from the Otsego County Food Pantry, they're pretty alarming. First Call for Help, the Salvation Army, and the Food Pantry together have helped almost 10,000 people so far this year, and the year isn't over yet.
Bountiful Harvest was a kind of a unique thing for our family. We were really shocked at the great need in Otsego County or the conditions that people lived in.
There was one gentleman, we went to deliver a basket and they were just so thankful and like, oh, we have some neighbors, we want to take you next door. He had lost his job and they really wanted to share a basket with them. And the man, I was so touched by this man because he said, no, we don't need a basket. We've got some milk in our refrigerator, and that's all they had in their refrigerator was milk. So it was he wanted to give back to someone else, even though he had such a great need.
He was glad to get the basket, and he wanted to grab that turkey and run it down to the guy that he said, really needs it. These guys are really, really desperate.
'Cause a little bit of love goes a long, long way. A little bit of hope can change the day. You could be the miracle that someone's waiting for. All it takes is just one flame, and you can light up the darkest place. Will you be amazed? A little bit of love goes a long, long way. With your two hands, you can turn this whole wide world around. And with just
Bountiful Harvest is a local outreach group on a mission to provide food to the hungry this Thanksgiving. This is our 4th year in operation, and this year the need is definitely great. But that means this is also a great opportunity for us to make a difference in someone's life, not only by providing food, but by sharing the love of Christ and being in service to those in need.
We invite you to work alongside us as we pack and deliver food baskets in time for Thanksgiving.
We invite you to donate. Each $35 donation provides an entire meal for a hungry family.
Donations of any size will be accepted now through November 15th. We'll pack and deliver the food baskets the Monday before Thanksgiving.
It was a great experience for our family and a real blessing to have.
a little bit of love goes a long, long way. Don't waste
I think we came home after the evening and looked around and realized God has blessed us so much and we need to give back, and that's why we're really excited to be involved in it again this year.
Let's show them that miracles happen every day, in all shapes and sizes, by the grace of God, and sometimes through the hands of strangers.
Are you the miracle someone is waiting for?
Are you the miracle?